It is the best constructed thing we've ever done. Look at this.
We can't let you guys ride the scooters.
Oh!
What's up, you guys? My name is Nigel Jones. This is Glow. That's
Wait. Who are you?
Yeah, who are you today, actually? And then we got Muggsy Bogues over here.
My cub.
But we got a box.
Do you know what's inside?
I do know what's inside, but do you know what's inside?
I actually don't think you know what's inside. I've been lying to you.
Have you been lying to me?
I have, yeah.
So he said it was a snow scooter. So now I don't know what it is. Go ahead.
Be careful with Nigel's knees.
Yeah, that's not gonna work, buddy.
Do you know who you are yet?
No, I hurt my finger.
I hurt my finger.
Uh-oh. Moment of truth.
Another box? What is this?
It's a box. We're gonna skate a box.
Oh, it's the I know what it is.
What is it?
It's the rail table rail. It's an interchangeable rail slash table slash rail slash table. It's portable, orderable, and you know, not snortable. But oh, it is a scooter. I don't know what's going on here.
I fooled you.
It's a razor?
You brought a trash one-wheeled scooter to us? No wheel?
No wheels.
Does it come with wheels?
Okay, look, Dan.
This
It is a
trash.
scooter made for going down snow slopes.
Gabe,
But what I was
okay.
thinking
What snow
is that
do
you
you see?
put trucks and wheels on the bottom of these parts and then ride it like a normal scooter.
All right.
I thought
Let's
you
see
were
how
gonna
this
say
goes.
like this, like a skateboard.
Can you grab that bag?
You're being a real hater right now.
What you mean?
Nigel, you should work on getting trucks onto this, and then these guys can assemble it.
All right. Well, this clearly goes back here.
Screw into it, right?
Screw right into it.
That's what I was thinking. It does look pretty sick, though.
Yeah, it's got grip on it.
Hello, Gabe.
How did you whistle like that?
What you mean? What?
Who are you?
What are you talking about?
I said, Uzi, can you take these apart? And he said, yes, and then never did it. Is it like the world's most indestructible plastic? Oh, nice. That's good.
Yeah, can you hold that right there at the truck right here?
I'm actually so hyped for this video. I've been wanting to build this for so long. Yes.
Where's that bag at?
I'm gonna go get a fire sandwich after this. Why is this the most complicated thing I've ever seen in my life?
Back.
Right.
There. Is it one on the outside or the inside?
Wait, doesn't it just slide in?
Feel me?
Wanna read directions?
Safety and warning statements. Always wear safety equipment such as a helmet, knee pads, and elbow pads. Brake will get hot from continuous use. Do not touch after braking. Wait, isn't this a snow scooter?
Yeah.
Why are they giving me these instructions if it's for snow?
That's how hot it gets.
What in the... I'm so confused.
No, think about it. If you're going down a hill, you have to hit the brake the whole time. The thing probably melts off. Think of like a whole hill, you hitting the brake the whole time. How does that even work though?
Science with Uzi. Is it actually science? The world may never know. Oh, that's wobbly. Or is that, am I just tripping?
Yeah, that's how it's, I mean, it also has like 10 pounds of extraness.
True. Can we get one of these for the actual, like a legit one for when we go snowboarding again?
Yeah, I also want a snow ripstick.
They have those?
I don't know.
Gabe, you didn't even take apart this board. You almost crippled me. That was him. That would have smashed my toe.
That's what I was saying. It looks sick. The most technologically advanced scooter. Oh, wait. That might be a problem.
It's not a problem. It's not a problem, Gabe. Hold that thought.
Hold on, wait till this one gets added on though.
What are you doing? No, do not. Uzi,
No.
get out of
Uzi,
here.
Uzi, stop.
You're banished.
Whatever you're thinking about doing, just don't. Stay away.
Throw that away.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, that's what I always say.
Righty, lefty, tighty, loosey. Dude, that looks amazing. Oh. What?
There's no way, wait.
No. Wait, that just means you need more sets of trucks. We can fix this. Yeah, we can. We have hella trucks today. 2 separate entities or one collective? Wait.
Hey.
Hey, hold on. We need opinions here. We're confused. Wait.
So 2 trucks, both like face
Both
this
that
way,
way?
that way, or like independent, like front back, front back.
Independent, like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
The normal way.
Then we need that one so we can keep it matching, no? All right, well, that was the most mind-blowing thing I've experienced all day. All right, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That is the best thing.
Oh,
That is the best thing we've ever made. Look at this. Yes. He gone, dude. It is the best constructed thing we've ever done. Yes. Oh!
I actually jumped. Oh, it all stays straight.
The brakes don't even touch the ground
Don't do
anymore.
anything.
I don't know, dude. Shred it. Who's gonna shred this thing?
Uzi wants up first.
Hey, yo!
Probably why they're here. They're probably like, that boy right there, he's got treats.
For those of you that don't know, Uzi's been going to the liquor store and buying Rice Krispie treats and then feeding the Rice Krispie treats to a crow he sees because he wants to teach the crow that he is nice and they have facial recognition. I don't know.
Okay.
You're going too fast! Whoa!
What is this?
It's your what is it called? No. It's a leash.
Every time they leave the ground, they just...
We got the security here. They might kick us out.
No, it's got skateboard.
You have to land that. Nigel, please work your magic with these guys and tell
Okay.
them it's a skateboard.
Alright.
Like a scooter, you can lean, but you can't lean on this. So it's like,
Park rangers are here and they do not allow scooters at this park and they kick out everyone with a scooter.
But we're
So-
kind of
But
special.
it's a skateboard
Yeah.
though. There's skate trucks on it. Technically, we're gonna see what we can get away with.
dude, what's going on with the back? The back, it like moves. All right, I'll get it. This is terrifying.
It's the best thing I've ever seen.
It's great. It's great.
Dude, it's so hard to balance on it.
It's technically a skateboard though. Check it out.
It's got handlebars.
No, check it
It's
out.
got bars. Other kids are gonna see this, and they're gonna want to ride their scooters in here, right?
Okay.
We're trying not to. We can't let you guys ride
Yeah.
the scooters and then tell a little 6-year-old to come by that he can't ride his scooter.
Yeah,
You know,
I mean-
just some kind of, we gotta have some kind of equity there.
I mean, they definitely don't have one of these. It's a snow
All right,
skateboard.
before you kick
with
us out, can you at
handlebars.
least take a look at our craftsmanship and give us some props for it? Come
Yeah,
on.
Skateboard
It's
trucks.
weird.
Isn't that awesome?
I think it's weird. I don't know what to make of it.
The skateboard.
So what is it?
It's supposed to be a
it's a
snow
snow-
scooter.
Snow scooter. Okay, so you go out in the snow. Okay.
And then we
And you
added
threw
trucks
wheels.
to it. Yeah.
Can we go one snake run?
Yeah, wait till I leave.
Okay.
Go put it away.
That was single-handedly the best landing flip
Right?
that Uzi has ever done in his career. Better than any skate trick. That's
sick.
it right there. Operation Recon is on. The park rangers have left.
Plays with you?
We're gonna give it some time.
And then we gotta put it away.
Put it away after the snake run?
Yeah.
No, I'm finishing the whole video. All right, let's go, Dan. Before we get arrested here. Where are you going?
Snake run official. Official run 2019.
Is that your new Instagram? At Snake Run Official?
Snake run, yeah.
Oh, I heard something crack.
Ah, good.
Huh?
This is actually terrifying.
I've never seen you move with such grace. That was
It's
amazing.
scary because like you have to just do it all like this. Like you can't like lean in the bowl.
Oh!
So satisfying to go up and like slide down.
Oh! Wait, can you go switch then?
Yeah. I feel like the handlebars are just gonna break off.
It's so funny like seeing you turn like a scooter and then it just sounds like a skateboard doing a power slide. Whoa!
Nigel! Nigel! What happens if I get banned? Can't come here for work? Loophole. Just kidding. Now what? You see that carving though?
Yeah.
Nigel! Touch coping in the big bowl! Scared.
Just go into the pool. Be a vert skater.
That's what I told them right there.
No, you do it.
How's this? Literally, if you're in the snow, how does this help at all?
It just digs into the ground. Have you seen the snow bikes?
I think I've seen them. I saw an ostrich riding one.
Maybe we should do a video with the snow bike.
Let's get the ostrich that
That'd
can
be
do
fun.
it. One more jump in the mini bowl.
Wait, you gotta do it. Just hurry up real quick, just land it.
This thing's like a drift car. Like it's hot right now. You skate this thing here, you get locked up. Gabe, watch this power slide. Power slide? I think we invented a new sport.
Well, we will take our talents elsewhere where we're appreciated.
Second time today.
So we got kicked out of Fremont Skate Park, and then we got rained out. It's raining for 2 weeks, and we can't even go outside. And I'm hard at work trying to get the Braille House 2.0 done, but we're gonna have to call our video there. Let us know in the comments below if you want to see more content with this scooter snow skateboard, because I think it's the best invention of all time. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys soon for the big reveal of the Braille House 2.0.